Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, and today I show you how I crocheted my new headband with strands. I use this acrylic yarn and let's crochet. I use this yarn, crochet hook. I crochet 70 chains. Here my 70 chains, and now I crochet one double crochet and I will crochet 70 double crochet. It will be my strand. It's very easy. I finish my first strand. It was one row of double crochet. It's 70 double crochet. Now I have 3 strands and I want to join it together. I show you how I join, how I crochet with one row of single crochet. Let's crochet 1 chain, one single crochet, again, and let's join strand, and last single crochet. I think it was 9 single crochet to join my strands, and fasten off. I join my 3 strands, and let's move on the braiding. Braid strands according to this picture and braid with right side facing you. In the center right, left in the center, and now crochet again 2 strands together with a row of single crochet, and let's crochet. I fix my 3 strands and I want to sew these two parts together. I need a needle. Yeah, that's all. I need fasten off and the wave pin ends. My braided headband is done. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in new videos. Bye!